Welcome aboard, this is your captain speaking.
Hey everyone, I love these kind of videos. There was an announcement from Midjourney, shout out to David, introducing the remaster feature. We want to try letting people remaster images from previous algorithms using the coherence of the test algorithm. So underneath all new upscale jobs, you'll see a remaster button. You can remaster any previous upscale you've made in the past with the show job ID function, and that's what we're going to be doing in this video. Oh, limitations. Only works on wide aspect ratios up to 2:3 or 3:2. Okay, what can we try out? I have some ideas. We're going to go upscales, and we're going to search by the oldest. Alright, first up is Rambo in Stranger Things. This might be V2 from all the way back in July, and here's the remaster of it. I don't quite know what to make of this, I don't know what to think. They made Rambo a kid, kind of looks like Mike, and this just says Rangs, R Fangs. Cool lettering, but interesting remaster. Here is Sasquatch moonwalking dressed as a pimp, and here we have the remaster, a little more Sasquatchy, a little less pimpy. Not sure what's going on here. Cool shadows on the ground, I guess. I like his shoes. Alright. Here is Gears of War Futuristic, and I always loved this photo. I thought it was really cool, even though it's kind of abstract. It definitely doesn't have coherence, so let's see what the remaster did to it. Wow, quite a bit different. Added 2 people to it. Like, now these are clearly people. I like their armor. Love the armor in #1, great light. Cool remaster, that gets a B+. Next up is Batman Futuristic. I always like this one as well. I like how his mask sort of fades from the city into nothing, and to be honest, I always liked his chin. Always looked like a Batman to me. And here's the remaster. Wow, looks just like a comic book page. I love the design on #2, and oof, they're slightly different, but I actually love them both. In #1, I love the bright blue light and like the shadow from his cowl on his nose over his lips. That is so cool. Both of them are amazing. A+, remaster. Next up we have, and this one's kind of a doozy, a 1,000-year-old war general, colorful, hyper-advanced civilization, Pixar 3D, Octane render, ray tracing, 16:9. Now, I wasn't sure what it was going to make, but I always liked this one because it kind of added a tank with like a military flag right here. I like the colors in it too. And for a remaster, wow, certainly added a lot more coherence. Like, look at the design of whatever this thing is. Very, very cool. Here is a steampunk ninja in a cyberpunk nightscape, ray tracing VFX, trending on ArtStation, and that last bit does not matter. Do not use that anymore. Always liked this one, thought it looked great, and here's what the remaster did to it. Wow, look at the design, look at the features, the skinny neck, the kind of leather mask, the glowing eyes, but then the skin above, and then I love the jacket at #2, love the face, love this little light piece coming off to help him play his Game Boy Advance at night. Awesome. Okay, last one. Here was Kawhi Leonard, stained glass, 8K ray tracing, hyper realistic. I don't think this did a very good job. I mean, it put arguably Kawhi Leonard at the front of something that could be stained glass, but you know, never quite got there with this one. Let's see what the remaster does. Okay, both pictures look a lot more like Kawhi Leonard, and what I really like about #1 is it's kind of like an art installation, and like this is the wall, and then here's the piece of art. #2, I think it looks a lot like him. Anyways, those were some quick remasters. Let me know what you think. I love when they do announcements like this and let us test out new features. That's a lot of fun. Shout out to Midjourney. If you like this, you can check out other videos that go over other new features or maybe some experiments. Anyways, hope you're doing good. Take care, and I'll see you next time.